By creating modules within your Canvas courses, you can view the progress of your students and see how they are progressing through the course. Module progress is determined by the students completing required elements in the module. If you don't set up any requirements, you won't be able to track your students' progress within each module. Some of the required elements may require students to view a page, submit an assignment, or earn a minimum score on an assignment or quiz. To view student progress, go to Course Navigation and click the Modules link. Then click the View Progress button at the top. When the View Progress window opens, Canvas, by default, will show the first student in your course listed alphabetically by last name. To view the progress for another student, click the student's name in the Student Progress list. The Module Progress window shows the progress of each student in your course, and those modules can be either completed, in progress, or locked as denoted in the particular student's list of modules. Modules that have no completion requirement or modules where students have completed the requirements will be marked as complete. And you can see that for this student, she has completed the first 5 modules. If a student is in the middle of a module, the module will be marked as in progress. And that's true for the Flight of Icarus Part 1. The student is in progress of completing it. Modules that cannot yet be accessed by the student because of completion or prerequisite requirements will be marked as locked.